Next, a major Cardiff attraction has shut its doors, at least for now. The rooftop adventure at the Principality Stadium, which let visitors climb, zip and abseil high above the city, has stopped taking bookings after the contract with its operator ended. Wire and Sky, the company running the experience, says it couldn't agree a new commercial deal with the Welsh Rugby Union. The WRU insists it's only a pause, with plans for a new partnership to be revealed soon. The attraction, which opened last April, cost up to £89 for the full climb and roof walk, but has been underperforming compared to expectations. Two men have admitted starting a fire that destroyed a home in Rhondda. 19-year-old Oren Guster and 18-year-old Alfie Wheeler, both from Weston-super-Mare, pleaded guilty to arson with intent to endanger life at Merthyr Tydfil Crown Court. Wheeler also admitted carrying a machete. 5 properties were affected when flames tore through Prothero Street in Ferndale back in July, forcing families to evacuate and a rest centre to open. 3 other men are also accused but have yet to enter pleas. All 5 men remain in custody and will return to court in September for further hearings. A Swansea head teacher who attacked his deputy with a metal wrench has been freed just 4 months into a prison sentence. 54-year-old Anthony Felton was jailed for 2 years and 4 months in April after CCTV captured him striking Richard Pike at St Joseph's Roman Catholic Comprehensive School in Aberavon. Felton admitted attempted grievous bodily harm with intent, saying he was in emotional turmoil over personal revelations about a colleague. The prison service confirmed he's been released under an electronic tag curfew scheme, warning that any breach of the strict rules will mean an immediate return to jail. And holiday home tax rules in Wales could soon be eased. Since last year, self-catering properties have had to be available for 252 days and actually let for 182 to avoid paying higher council tax. Ministers now want to calculate the figure as an average over several years and allow up to 14 days donated to charity to count. Finance Secretary Mark Drakeford says it's a small change to support businesses, but campaigners accuse the government of ignoring the wider housing crisis. Tourism groups say the current rules are forcing owners to slash prices simply to stay afloat.